So I'm Dr. Himanshu Garg, Head Department of Respiratory Medicine at W प्रतीक्षा हॉस्पिटल। आज हमने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया जिसका नाम अस्थमा डायलॉग्स था। इसमें आपने सभी ने देखा होगा कि पिछले दिनों में पोल्यूशन लेवल्स बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं, जिस वजह से रेस्पिरेटरी डिजीज़ आर इंक्रीजिंग एक्सपोनेंशियली, बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं, स्पेशली अस्थमा। तो इसको लेकर के बहुत लोगों के मन में सवाल, स्पेशली जब इस तरह के इन्वायरमेंट लेवल्स हैं, कि क्या उन्होंने बाहर जाना बंद कर दें, क्या हर तरह की स्पोर्ट्स NCR में बंद हो जाए। इन्हीं चीज़ों का आंसर देने के लिए आज हमने सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स को बुलाया। हमें बुलाया पशुपति कश्यप, जो कि बैडमिंटन चैम्पियन हैं, जिनको बचपन से अस्थमा था। उन्होंने अपनी स्टोरी हमारे साथ शेयर करी, एक इंस्पिरेशनल टॉक दी, जिससे पता लगा कि अस्थमा होने के बावजूद भी वो इस हर तरह की चैंपियंस को जीत पाए।
Hi, I'm Parupalli Kashyap. I'm the Commonwealth Games gold medalist in badminton, and I've been playing badminton for the last 18 years in my career, and have reached top 10 in the world rankings. Yes, I was diagnosed with some breathing difficulties when I was very young. I was told, I don't have a big recollection about it as well, but I was told by my parents that I used certain inhalers. My pediatrician at that time advised me to use some inhalers. At that time I used to live in Hyderabad, but later when I moved to Bangalore, I think it became a little too much. Bangalore being a lot of pollen in the air. Bangalore was bad weather for asthmatics, and but until I came back to Hyderabad, I didn't get diagnosed with asthma again. So I would say maybe I should have continued treatment from the time I was young, and then maybe the symptoms weren't there. But I think general physicians who I met initially were not advising me to meet a chest physician. So yeah, there's a big story to it. Yes. In 2004, one of my general physicians, when I met a doctor, they advised me to, seeing my history, he advised me to meet a chest physician, and that's how that first meeting with the chest physician, Mr. KJR Murthy, I remember, he mentioned to me that I have an acute case of asthma and I have to start my medication very soon. Otherwise, I was really concerned about playing badminton at that time. I was 18 years old. I was amongst the top 5 in the country with my condition, but I was falling sick every second week, which was hindering my performance and my growth as a badminton player. So he told me to start medication, and since then, my graph was really good. At least for the next few years, I had no issues and I was getting stronger in training. So I think 2004, when I was around 17-18 years old, I was diagnosed with asthma. Obviously they had a big concern, because they were also not very sure of what this issue was, what is asthma. They didn't have much knowledge of the disease. When I hear the word asthma from the doctor, then I just thought that I cannot play anymore. The knowledge wasn't there, and that's when I got to know about asthma. And there have been issues in my career continuously where my parents thought that this was hindering my performance, and I would complain to them that I have a shortness of breath. So it has been a battle I've always fought, because it's very confusing. You don't know whether you have trained, are you not fit enough, have you not trained enough, or is it asthma which is creating an issue. So that battle I still face, but I try and fight it, and try and keep it under control. It's been a major difference. I think whatever I've achieved today is because of that. I'm very thankful to firstly the general physician who actually told me to meet a chest physician, because previously 3-4 years before that I was meeting a lot of general physicians in various hospitals, and they were continuously putting me on antibiotics, and I was getting really weak. I was falling sick. My body was becoming weaker. I was training the same, but there was no effect on my body. I was getting weaker. Every second, third week I would fall sick. But the first person somehow in Hyderabad, one of the general physicians told me to meet a chest physician, and then so on my asthma treatment started, and in 6 months time I was top 2 in the country in the men's singles department, from juniors to seniors. I became really strong. My training patterns changed. I could take more load on my body. I was getting stronger. The training was taking effect on me, and then slowly my performance started. I was continuously in the senior Indian team. I think 6 months after I started taking medication. So there was a major change. My whole career depends on that fact that I met the chest physician at that point of time. whoever has any issues with breathing, any issues with their pulmonary system, they have to meet the chest physician immediately and then take the right treatment. I think the doctors can advise better. I am not the one to advise about how to take treatment or what should be done, but I urge them to immediately meet a chest physician and listen and follow their cycle of treatment. I think that is the most important thing. There are a lot of treatments available, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, and I feel the allopathic treatment, the treatment which a chest physician can give you, is the best, and it's the most manageable. It's and your asthma will be under control, and then you can achieve whatever you want in your life.
पशुपति ने एक्सेप्ट किया कि वो इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव्स में आगे भी हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं और उनको हमने एम्बेसडर फॉर एस्थमा डिक्लेयर किया आज। हमारी ये जो प्रयास था कि जब सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं जो एस्थमा या रेस्पिरेटरी डिजीज़ में डील करते हैं उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाएं और एक एस्थमा सपोर्ट नेटवर्क बनाएं जिसको लेकर के आगे पेशेंट्स को सपोर्ट मिले, स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन यहाँ पे खेल सकें, उनका कैरियर एस्थमा होने की वजह से ना ख़त्म हो। जब भी पॉलिसी मेकिंग हो तो एस्थमा तरह की डिजीज़ का भी ध्यान रखा जाए। मेडिकल फिजिशियन सिर्फ अपने आप को लिमिट ना करें कुछ पेशेंट्स को देखने के लिए, लार्जर गुड ऑफ द कम्युनिटी पे भी काम करें। रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो पेशेंट्स की नीड है उनको भी समझें। तो आज मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ कि इस इनिशिएटिव को हमने लिया और इसको लेकर के लोगों ने बड़ा उत्साह